Welcome back to my channel, beauties. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I conceal these dark circles and kind of fake a filler. So if you want to see how I do that, then of course keep on watching. So as you can tell, my eyes are very sunken right here, and not only that, I have dark circles. So this, for me, the sunken eyes at least, is definitely hereditary, and just depending on any given day, it could look better or look worse. Okay, but when I need to, take pictures or just want to feel a little better about myself, I definitely have learned a few tips and tricks of how to cover it up. So I'm here to show you guys. So the first thing I always have to use is a color corrector, and this is my MAC Prep and Prime color corrector. So orange or peachy tone color corrector is going to help to cancel out the dark circles. So this is a must if you have dark circles. So once I've let it sit for a little bit, I just go in with my blending sponge and we just blend it right out. And as you can see already, it's already just canceling out that darkness, kind of bringing me back up to my correct shade. So now we're going to go on to foundation. Full coverage foundation is definitely going to get you better results, but at least using a medium coverage can still do the job. So the next step is using a concealer. This is the NARS Soft Matte Complete Concealer. This is a full coverage concealer, very full coverage, and this is absolutely necessary for filling in the hollows of your eyes. So this is the hollows. As you can see, I'm going to do just one side first so you could see the difference, but I just kind of apply it on my face first. And I go over, if you notice, I'm putting the concealer over that hollow area, so over here. With this concealer, you don't really need a lot. It is very full coverage. So it's important to let it set because it won't move as much once you go to blend it out, and it's already just filled in that area for you. So I just let it set for about 5 minutes or so. So I will be back. Okay, so it's been a couple of minutes. So I'm gonna go and blend it out with my same damp beauty sponge. If you are new to this, I would suggest using a brush, something like this, where you could just kind of press down to blend it. But if you're used to using a beauty sponge, then go ahead and use this, because I can use it and I know how much pressure to apply not to take away product, but this is definitely going to give me a very natural finish, so I love using my beauty sponge. You see how easily that blends, but it's not really moving, it's already set. So that's what you want. So you're pressing it into the skin, not dragging the product at all, just pressing. So now you can see the difference of the hollows here versus over here. It's looking a lot better already. That's what you're going for. So don't be afraid to add more concealer if you need to. Don't be afraid to let it sit a little bit longer. Okay, so now we can complete the next side because you see the difference. What you're trying to do is you're trying to fill it in. Think of a wall that has like a hole in it. You're trying to fill that wall in. That is essentially what you're doing here. You are filling it in. So you know that down there is sunken. You might need a little bit more product here to bring it on the same level. So if I do it and I feel like I didn't get as much coverage as I want, I'll go back and I'll put some more. So for me, you can see that it's better, but this side looks a lot better in my opinion. So I'm just gonna put a little bit more, and it's probably because I didn't let this side sit as long. So now it's time for the powder, and for me, I'm going to use the Laura Mercier powders. So I mixed the honey and the translucent. So just be sure to press out the product in your creases before you start to add the powder so that it doesn't crease. So we're just going to press the product. And we're doing that fill. Do you guys see how much better it looks? How much younger I look? Literally, it just brought my eyes right back up. So I look super powdery right now. That's why I have setting sprays and refreshing sprays to take away that powdery look. Don't worry about that. It will be gone once this process is over. That's what I do for the eyes. I'm going to complete the face off camera and be right back. Okay, beauty, so I'm finished and this is how we're looking. As you can see, it's a lot better than how we started. But yes, this is my technique. It works for me. If you learned anything from this video today, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And of course, share this video with anyone that you think it may help. If you're not already, go ahead and subscribe. So as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.